y'all, welcome back to another video with your favorite auntie. So we're finishing up this dresser today, and okay, so we've had bad weather actually for the last 2 days, 3 days, windy, rain, the whole nine. So I really haven't been able to get out here like I really want to hurry up and finish this piece so I can start on the next piece. But that's just what we are doing today. Yeah. So just watch the process and enjoy the video. I hope you're having a great day whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're enjoying these furniture flips. Hopefully it's giving you some inspo on furniture flipping for yourself, either for profit or just to upcycle furniture in your home. Yeah. Anyway, just watch what I'm doing. I'm actually sanding in between my primes, getting all the runs and the areas that just need to be perfected together. This portion of the video is kindly sponsored by my friends over at Mellanni Fine Linens. They're going to help get your auntie all the way together, honey, and so that I can get my proper night's rest from flipping all this furniture. This sheet set is absolutely amazing. Ron and I are always on the hunt for a good old sheet set, y'all, and they have not disappointed. These sheets are stain, shrink, wrinkle-free, machine washable, and they dry fast. They have so many colors for you guys to choose from. So many sizes, all the way up to a California King. They are high quality materials. They are affordable, which is always great. They are temperature regulating, which you know I love, okay, for my hot flashes. I also have a code, you guys, and it is my Mellanni 98. It's going to get you 15% off, and it's going to be valid actually on all Mellanni products that are sold on Amazon. All Mellanni products sold on Amazon, you guys. I'm going to make sure I leave the link down below as well. Also, these sheets have deep pockets up to 16 inches. Deep pockets are typically hard to find. Well, they are in my case. And I chose this like salmony coral color. So pretty, so spring ready. They are beautiful and they feel like silk, and they slept amazing. Like they literally slept so amazing. When I'm editing this video, I'm actually sitting on this bed right now eating those M&Ms. Again, you guys, make sure you check the link down below. Go over, check them out, see if there's anything else that they have you might like outside of sheet sets, because they do have other things. Shout out to Mellanni for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So we have our first white coat of paint. I foresee probably 2 more coats. I'm going to let it dry completely between coats, so I'll come back out here probably in about 4 hours, give or take, and put another coat, and then probably a 3rd coat if it needs it. It may not need it, but it's so pretty. And let me show you how clean. Okay, you know what, girl? Okay, look how clean these came. Hold up. Look how clean I was able to get these using the barkeepers. So just imagine this gold. Hold up. Imagine this gold. Oh. She's gonna look so pretty. Look at that. Is she not giving? Decide which paper would be cute in the drawers based off of how she looks. I feel like somebody will say, you know what, go wild. Just go wild. Like, go completely from this. Even though I love this, is so pretty. But any one of these would be cute inside. Any one of these would be really pretty too, though. And that's her. This is what she needs right here. Yep. Sitting up on top of a whole situation, okay? I came in here to cut this, but Ron fixed me a little deviled egg treat because he know I loves me some deviled eggs. Because I'm hungry. Yes, I have paint on my hands. I don't care. That's so good. I have salt, lemon pepper, and Tabasco sauce, the green kind on here. I don't know what this is on the TV. That's so good. I have Dr. Pepper, strawberries and cream, soda to try. Now, I will have taste for a Dr. Pepper maybe once a year. Like just a regular Dr. Pepper. Y'all know I go back and forth with Coke. But strawberries and cream, let's give it a shot and see what we think. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. The only reason I got this, I said I gotta try it. Cream soda is what came to mind. I said Dr. Pepper already has like a sweet, buttery taste to me. And adding strawberries and cream couldn't do anything but just give it that cream soda. This is so good. Oh my God. Who knew? Okay, Coke, you might be getting put down. Y'all want to buy that? You might be like, girl, You got paint on your hands. Don't mind me, honey, okay? I've already posted, by the time you're watching this video, I've already posted the dresser on my other social media. Even though the dresser isn't done, technically. I mean, it's done, but I didn't film it with the liners in it. You'll only see the liners being put in here. So still make sure you follow me on my other socials, because I post the shorter version over there, everywhere. Follow all of them. Aunties everywhere. My YouTube watch list is nothing but rain videos, rain for sleep, and school bus conversions. I ain't letting it go, y'all. I mean, y'all should know that about me. I just gotta figure out how to keep Ron from having a stroke. But yeah, that's what I'm watching. Some of y'all be wanting to know what I be watching on the internet. Y'all nosy? Y'all, some of y'all are really nosy for real, but okay. Auntie, what do you be doing on the internet? Auntie, what do you be? Auntie, who's your favorite YouTuber? Auntie, who do you be? Y'all nosy, okay? Y'all nosy, and I'm here to give it to you. So that's what I'm watching. Whoever asked me that on YouTube. All my YouTube sisters are my favorite YouTubers. Every one of them. All of them. Oh. Good job, Sharon. Good job. You ain't painting if you can got paint on yourself somewhere. This is a repurchase for sure. Only if you like cream soda. Should you dare. So good. Okay. Let's go cut 9 of these into let's see, what's the best way to do this? I guess it's this way.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's supposed to be me.
Let me give you this game.